At Pipe Revive, we provide advanced spray-in-place pipe lining solutions for residential, commercial, and industrial properties. Our trenchless systems restore interior and exterior piping without the mess, digging, and disruption of traditional replacement. Before the coating process begins, the pipe is inspected using a compact video camera to identify cracks, corrosion, buildup, or root intrusion. Next, a high-speed rotary chain cleaner is inserted into the pipe to remove roots, scale, and hardened debris from the interior walls. Remaining debris is then flushed away through hydrojetting, using highly pressurized water to clean the pipe and prepare it for lining. Once the pipe is ready, the Pipe Revive spray lining system is inserted and guided to the required endpoint inside the pipe. The spray head is then pulled back at a controlled speed, evenly coating the interior of the pipe with a durable resin. As the resin cures, it creates a seamless, strong pipe lining inside the existing pipe, helping restore flow and extend service life. Pipe Revive brings aging pipes from worn to reborn with cleaner, faster, trenchless rehabilitation solutions.